Lesson 4, Resource 2, using a weight scale to do algebra. Well, here's a little problem. 3 identical green foam blocks are arranged on a scale, on a balance, same thing. What is the mass of one of these blocks? Not all 3, but just one. Please try to solve this any way that you can. And then I want to go through with you the way we can do it using an equation, just so you understand how equations work, not because we care what the mass of one of these 3 foam blocks is. So please try it now and pause the video. Well, did you get it? The answer is 2 grams is what each foam block weighs. Now, regardless of how you got it, I really want to show you how we can represent this using an equation, because that's really the objective of this practice here. First of all, I would like to assign a variable name to this. How about t? No reason, it's just that sometimes we use t, for time and things like that. So t is the mass of the unknown block. I might even write it down. That's a green block, right? Of the green block. I could have used X. I could have used a question mark. Now, how many T's have I got? Well, 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 T's. So here we are. 3 blocks, 3 T's. Now, what I do with these grams is simply add them to it. I'm not going to go 1 plus 1. I'm just going to go 2. Now, these blocks here are in grams, so it means that when we do figure out what the value of t is, the weight of the block, it will be in grams as well. Now, the other thing I want you to absolutely notice is that this system is in balance. It only works if it's in balance. If it was tipped to one side or the other, we could not find the value of t. Anyway, what I've gotten drawn so far is the left side of the equation. Now what I'm going to do is draw the right side of the equation. Now, when I say left and right, I mean the left side of the picture and the right side of the picture. So the right side of the picture is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 grams. But I'm not going to write grams. Now, what I will do is add the opposite of this constant term right here to both sides. So the opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. So negative 2 and negative 2. That's my change. And what I'm going to do is essentially, that's equivalent to me lifting off 1 gram, not 1, 2 grams, lifting these puppies off, lifting these weights off, like this. And what I'm left with is just 3 blocks. And in the equation, that's going to look like 3t. On the right-hand side, I've got, well, I had 8, and I've taken away 2, so that leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I knew that because it was 8 and negative 2 is 6. Now, guess and check tells you that 3 times some number is 6, that the number is 2. If you want, you can more formally think of it as follows. I'm going to split this into 1, 2, and 3. I've got my 3 t's there. I've divided them literally by 3 to get 1 t. So what I have to do is I have to go through this and divide it into 3. So in thinking about it, I know that I can get 3 groups, and how much is in each group? 1, 2 grams. In the equation, that's like the following: 3t divided by 3. So when I say in the other videos that what I'm trying to do is make a 1 coefficient, that corresponds to me going, I've got 3 blocks over here of weight t, whatever that is, and 6 over there. So if I divide this by 3, I divide these by 3, and I get 2 in each case. So the answer, t, is equal to 2. And that is a lot easier to write than it is to draw these let me tell you. Okay, I hope this is good. Please try the practice associated with this. As always, bye.